Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. In this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you more how to rectify the errors through some more additional questions of NCERT. Today I am explaining you question number 6. A new type of error is here. A new method is there of rectifying this type of error. Okay. First of all, have a look over the question number 6 of NCERT. Just see question number 6 of NCERT and take the screenshot of the same question. Now, reading out the question. Question number 6. Rectify the following errors. Some mistakes were done by the accountants and we need to rectify those errors. We have to correct the errors, the mistakes done by the accountants. The very first transaction related to the error done was sales book. Sales shows the decrease in goods, and goods we know come under the category of asset. They are our property, right? Whenever asset or goods decreases, then they are to be shown on the credit side by the term sales. Means goods is represented, its decrement is indicated on the credit side by the term sales, and the increment or increase in goods is indicated by purchases on this side, debit side. Okay, as per the rule of debit and credit. Now, further reading out the question, sales book overcasted means we have shown more amount or we have recorded more amount in the sales book. So sales account is credited here 700 as per the question more, means casting was done more by 700 rupees. Right? We know sales shows the credit balance and it was created 700 more. It was created 700 more. In order to nil the effect of sales, that is overcasting of sales book by 700, what we need to do, we have to reverse the side of sales account. Reverse the side means we have to just post it on the debit side. Okay, right? We will post sales on the debit side. When we will post it on the debit side, then what will happen? This overcasting, the error of overcasting will be nil. Okay, right? See here, sales account 700 rupees. It is not mentioned in the question that to whom we have sold the goods. Okay, nothing is mentioned. On the credit side, there is no item to be posted here. So on the credit side, there is a suspense. Okay, what to post on the credit side? To suspense account. Right? Sales account debit to suspense account. Means here in the question, the error was done only in the sales book. So, in order to rectify the sales account, we have changed the side of sales. On the debit side, we have posted sales account. Okay. No error was done in any book. If the sales might have done in the cash, no error was there in the cash. If the sales might have done on credit basis, no error is there. If error might be there, it might have been mentioned in the transaction, but it is not mentioned in the transaction. So on the credit side there is no error. Okay, neither in the cash nor in the debtors balance. So what we will be posting on the credit side? Suspense. Okay, right. Now further reading out the second transaction of the sixth question. Purchase book overcasted by rupees 500. See the rule of debit and credit. Where I have written purchases, I have written purchase on the debit side. Means purchase book shows the debit balance. Here also the error of overcasting is done. Purchase book is overcasted by 500 rupees as per the question. Right. So again this error can be rectified by showing purchase account, by changing the side, by reversing the side of purchase from debit to credit. When we will reverse the side of purchase from debit to credit, the error effect will be nil. Okay, means the error will be rectified. See here, purchases account is shown on the credit side. Amount is 500 rupees. Again the same thing on the debit side, there is nothing to be posted, so we have posted suspense. Okay. Now further reading out the third transaction. Sales return book. Sales return book. See here, sales is created. Okay. Opposite of sales is sales return. If sales is created, then what we will be doing with sales return? We will be showing sales return on the debit side. Okay, means sales return shows the debit balance. Keep in mind. Okay. Now what type of error is done here? Here also the overcasting is done. Means more amount is shown on the debit side. We have to nil the effect of this error. So again what we need to do? We need to change the side of sales return from debit to credit. Right. The amount here is 300 rupees. Okay. 300 rupees. So sales return to be shown on the credit side. Only it is mentioned in the question that sales return is overcasted. Okay. No any other book, no any other account was affected by the error. Means in other book, in other account, everything was written or posted correctly. So on the debit side there was no error. When there is no error, on the other side we have to use the word suspense. Okay, right? Because suspense was there and it was related to sales return book. That how this 300 rupees is coming more on in the sales return book. Okay. Why? What is the reason behind? Okay, this we need to find only. Right? In no other book on the debit side there is no error, so I have written this suspense. Okay, right? So keep in mind when only the error is existing in one book or one account, then on the other side we have to use the term suspense. Okay, but in transaction, if it is mentioned that the two accounts are wrongly posted in the previous online class session, the same type of transactions I explained you, where we have to just debit salary account, but in place of debiting salary account, we have debited what? Employees account. The two accounts were affected. Here the effect is shown the wrong effect is shown in the one account only. Okay, beta. So this is the solution of three parts of question number 6. The fourth, that is D part, D transaction, you have to rectify yourself. Okay, I think the explanation might be clear to you. Okay, if the explanation is not clear, then get your problem solved. Okay, contact me on my personal WhatsApp number and your problem will be solved. Take the screenshot of the solution beta. First of all, just hurry up, quickly just take the screenshot and fare it up. Okay, right. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.